Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Ifan Najiha binti Abdullah with metric number AE190138.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Nur Atirawani binti Rahimi, metric number CE190096.
Assalamualaikum Doktor. My name is Nur Salima binti Muhammad Nasir. My metric number CE190189.
Assalamualaikum Doctor. Today I will like to explain about the task given, which is I got 6.11, and this is the program that I have run now. Okay, now the program which is in the reset condition. So if we want to see the Y0 will switch on, we have to switch off the reset. Okay, and then now we have to push the push button, which is the X1, and then we have to on, and now we have to on, and then we have to off back, and now it's on the 0, so we have to on also first. Now the counter is count 1. So we have to count until 5. So we have to switch off back. And after that, we have to click on. Now it could be 2. Okay, now we have to switch on. And switch on back could be 3. Switch on off back. And switch on, it could be 4. And we have to switch on 4. And then we have to switch on 5. And then after we switch on 5, the counter, after count 5, the Y0 will be switched on, which is in the system, which is the lot the lot of output. Y0 is on, which is the LED lah. It will imagine that the Y0 is the light of LED. So if we want to switch off back, we can reset. We can turn on the button of reset on, and the Y0 will be off.
This is for the exercise 6.1.2. So for this is the timer ladder diagram. So we must put the logic 1 to the X1 gate. So after that, this must be logic 0, because if we put the logic 1, the output will be reset for the T0 timer. So now click the run. So as you can see, the T0 is counted until 100, and then the output Y1 will be on.
Next, I, Ifan Najiha, will explain the discussion of this experiment. So, based on this experiment, we have to know that there are several ways to program PLC, and among them are we can build the ladder diagram by using counters and timers. For this lab, we must know how to use the timer and counter in the PLC programming. The timer is used to indicate that the input is turned on or off, or to create a delay. Meanwhile, counters are used to count the set of events that have occurred, and the latch or unlatch is used to lock something on or to turn it off. Both the timer and counter will function as output instructions in a PLC program. So for the 6.1.1, we must click on and off until the counter is count 5 at the X1, as it is the push button. When the counter has count 5, then the Y0 will be switched on. For the 6.1.2, when we insert logic 1 on X0, the value will be reset by T0, and the timer will be count until any value that we insert and wait until the Y1, which is output, is on. That's all
We
from
learn how to validate the diagram using timers and counters. When we use timer, we have to wait until timer is finished and output is on. The timer will be counted when we place a reasonable logic 1 on the logic gate in front of the timer. When we put logic 1 for x0 and x1, timer cannot be counted because the timer for the x0 after the logic x0 is reset. We just need to put the unique logic 1 on the timer network part. For the counter scale, for the counter ladder diagram, which means the scale, you have to manually count the on and off of the gate x1 until the end value is reached, but output y0 is on. That is, timer counts automatically and counter counts manually to get the output.
That's all from us. Thank you.